So how do you access these library databases? The place to start is the library website, pointlibrary.org. Click on the top on Do Research, Library Databases, and that will take you to our database page. On this main page, the databases are organized alphabetically. So if you know what you're looking for, you can just scroll down and find it. So let's just take a quick look at some of the databases that are available to you, and I'll tell you about some of the projects you're going to use them in. Today we're going to use EBSCO, and EBSCO is a big general database, and you'll use that for a lot of projects. You may have already used Culturegrams in your 7th grade social studies culture unit to do a little research about a world culture somewhere. You'll do lots of different little research projects in health class through the years. You might use Cameron's collection where there's information about mental health, or another one of my favorite databases is this one down here called Teen Health and Wellness that has great resources about all kinds of issues related to teens and their physical health, mental health, emotional health. It's just a great resource, and you'll use that in your health class and maybe in FACS class as well. ProQuest we're going to talk about today. That's one of our ProCon databases. You'll use those a lot, both in the project you're currently working on, but also 8th grade debate. You might use them in 9th grade social studies when you have to create like a public service announcements to make your teacher care about a project or an issue that's relevant in the world. So you might use any of these databases at different times during your high school, middle school, and high school career. So another important thing I want to tell you is before you can log in to a database, you need to know the password. These are paid, and they're for the use of Prairie students. So these passwords are not published, so I'm not going to show them to you right now. But if you are logged into your Prairie account, you will be able to access this Word document or this Google Doc, and it will tell you the password. So if you can't remember the password, come back to this page, click on this link right here, and get the database password. So I'm going to click on General Reference. This will take you to our topics page. And here the database, it's the same databases. They're just sorted by the type of database they are. We're going to talk about EBSCO now. So what I want you to do is click on EBSCO, and it will open in a new tab, and go ahead and get logged in to the EBSCO database. When your computer asks you if you want to save the password, yes, by all means, always save the passwords. That way you don't have to look them up each time.